I'm Mr. Kama Mamadou, and I'm teaching in Alassane Ndiaye Alou in EF Dakar Plateau in the primary school. Nowadays, we can use many things to teach. It's easy by using website, but the most important is to know what you want to teach, where you can go to have information, what are you going to give to the pupils in order to permit them to speak English. Yes, because today I know that when I want to do a lesson, I can go to British Council and get information and get many kinds of lesson I can use when I am teaching in my school now. To be able to choose what you want to teach, because you can have many things in website, but all of this are not important with our student. But you have to choose what you have to teach and whenever you teach it.